Chabatake Green Simple English
Bless you.
Bless you は誰かがくしゃみをしたときに使う言葉です。
Thank you for watching my channel. Enjoy your life. See you next time. Bye.